Welcome back to our channel from cryptowichard. Today, we have an exciting topic to dive into, the Theta network and its native cryptocurrency, Theta coin. In this video, we'll take a comprehensive look at the technology, use cases, team, and potential future of Theta. But before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get updates every time we upload a new video. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. What is Theta Network? Theta Network is at the forefront of transforming the video streaming industry by harnessing the power of blockchain technology. Traditional video streaming platforms often face challenges such as high infrastructure costs, buffering issues, and limitations on global reach. Theta Network addresses these issues by creating a decentralized ecosystem that incentivizes users to contribute their excess bandwidth and computing resources. Through the use of peer-to-peer technology, Theta Network allows content delivery to occur directly between users, eliminating the need for centralized servers and reducing latency. This decentralized approach not only enhances the quality of video streaming but also ensures a more efficient and cost-effective distribution system. By utilizing blockchain, Theta Network introduces a trustless and transparent environment where all transactions and interactions are recorded on a public ledger. This transparency ensures that content creators receive fair compensation for their work and that viewers can trust the authenticity and ownership of the content they consume. One of the key components of Theta Network is its native cryptocurrency, Theta coin. Theta coin serves as the fuel for the ecosystem, incentivizing users to participate and contribute to the network. Users can stake their Theta coins to become validators and earn rewards for validating transactions and securing the network. Theta coin plays a crucial role in enabling seamless transactions within the Theta ecosystem. Users can utilize Theta coins to access premium content, subscribe to channels, and tip their favorite content creators. This token economy fosters a vibrant community and provides a direct connection between content creators and their audience. Theta Network's vision extends beyond video streaming, as it aims to explore other areas such as decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and gaming. By leveraging the power of blockchain technology, Theta Network envisions a future where users can not only stream high-quality video content but also engage in a wide range of digital experiences in a secure and decentralized manner. Theta Network is revolutionizing the way we stream and consume content online by utilizing blockchain technology, peer-to-peer networking, and a native cryptocurrency. By incentivizing user participation, improving content delivery, and exploring new frontiers, Theta Network is poised to shape the future of the digital entertainment industry. Theta's unique features. Theta Network's utilization of a peer-to-peer network is a significant differentiator from traditional video streaming platforms. In a peer-to-peer network, users contribute their excess bandwidth and computing resources to support the network's operations. This collaborative approach to content delivery has several advantages. The peer-to-peer architecture improves the quality of video streaming. By distributing the video content across multiple users, the burden on centralized servers is significantly reduced, resulting in reduced buffering, faster load times, and improved overall streaming experience. Users can enjoy uninterrupted playback and high-resolution content, even during peak usage periods. The decentralized nature of Theta Network eliminates the need for costly infrastructure and content delivery networks, CDNs. Traditional streaming platforms require extensive server farms and CDN services to handle the large-scale distribution of content. In contrast, Theta Network leverages the collective resources of its users, allowing for a more cost-effective approach. This reduction in infrastructure costs benefits both content creators and consumers, as it enables creators to earn more from their content and reduces subscription fees or pay-per-view costs for viewers. Theta Network's peer-to-peer network promotes a community-driven ecosystem. Users who contribute their resources to the network are rewarded with Theta coins, incentivizing active participation and engagement. This creates a mutually beneficial relationship between content creators and consumers, where users are directly involved in the success of the network. By aligning the interests of all participants, Theta Network fosters a collaborative and inclusive environment. The peer-to-peer network also enhances the network's scalability. As more users join the Theta network, the available resources for content delivery increase proportionally. This scalability ensures that the network can handle growing demand without compromising on the quality of the streaming experience. Theta Network's utilization of a peer-to-peer network brings multiple advantages to the table. It enhances the quality of video streaming, reduces infrastructure costs, fosters a community-driven ecosystem, and ensures scalability as the network expands. These unique features set Theta Network apart from traditional video streaming platforms and provide a more efficient and cost-effective solution for content creators and consumers alike. To ensure the integrity and security of the Theta network, the platform incorporates a consensus mechanism known as Theta blockchain. Theta blockchain operates on a proof-of-stake (POS) algorithm, which allows users to participate in the network by staking their Theta coins. Validators in the Theta network play a crucial role in maintaining the network's stability and validating transactions. By staking a certain amount of Theta coins, users can become validators and contribute to the consensus process. Validators are responsible for verifying and validating transactions, securing the network against potential attacks, and maintaining the accuracy of the blockchain ledger. In return for their participation and contribution, validators are rewarded with additional Theta coins. These rewards serve as an incentive for users to actively participate in the network, ensure its smooth operation. The more Theta coins a user stakes, the higher their chances of being selected as a validator and earning rewards. The staking process also helps to secure the network against malicious activities. Validators have a financial stake in the network, as their staked Theta coins can be slashed or confiscated if they engage in fraudulent behavior or attempt to compromise the integrity of the system. This mechanism ensures that validators have a vested interest in upholding the network's security and trustworthiness. By incorporating Theta blockchain and the staking mechanism, Theta Network promotes decentralization and encourages active user participation. It creates a network where users can contribute their resources, validate transactions, and earn rewards, thereby fostering a strong and engaged community. Theta's consensus mechanism enhances the network's security, incentivizes active participation, and ensures the integrity of transactions within the Theta ecosystem. It aligns the interests of users, validators, and the network itself, creating a sustainable and robust blockchain infrastructure for Theta Network and its native cryptocurrency, ThetaCoin. ThetaCoin, token economy. ThetaCoin serves as the native cryptocurrency within the Theta ecosystem and plays a crucial role in facilitating various transactions and interactions. It acts as a means of exchange, allowing users to access and engage with premium content, subscribe to channels, and support their favorite content creators through tips. One of the primary use cases for ThetaCoin is accessing premium content on the Theta network. Content creators can choose to monetize their content by setting a price in Theta coins for viewers to access exclusive or high-quality content. Users who wish to enjoy these premium offerings can utilize their Theta coin holdings to unlock the content, enabling a seamless and secure transaction between creators and viewers. In addition to accessing premium content, Theta coin can be used for channel subscriptions. Users can subscribe to their favorite channels by paying a recurring fee in Theta coins. This subscription model enables viewers to support their preferred creators on an ongoing basis, fostering a direct and sustainable relationship between content creators and their audience. ThetaCoin provides a mechanism for viewers to show appreciation to content creators through tips. Viewers can tip content creators in Theta coins as a way of recognizing and supporting their work. These tips serve as an additional revenue stream for creators and encourage the production of high-quality content. The use of ThetaCoin for transactions within the Theta ecosystem brings several benefits. It eliminates the need for traditional payment processors, reduces transaction fees, and enables faster and borderless transactions. Additionally, the use of a blockchain-based cryptocurrency ensures transparency and security in transactions, as all transactions are recorded on the Theta blockchain. As the Theta network expands and attracts a larger user base, the demand for Theta coins is expected to increase. This increased demand can have a positive impact on the value of Theta coin, benefiting early adopters and holders. Theta coin serves as a versatile digital currency within the Theta ecosystem, enabling users to access premium content, subscribe to channels, and tip content creators. It creates a seamless and direct connection between creators and their audience, fostering a vibrant and sustainable content ecosystem on the Theta network. In addition to its role as a means of exchange, Theta Coin also empowers token holders to participate in the governance of the Theta network. Governance refers to the process through which decisions are made regarding the network's development, upgrades, and overall direction. Theta Network embraces a decentralized governance model, giving the community a voice in shaping the platform's future. Theta Coin holders have the opportunity to participate in important decision-making processes through voting and proposing changes. The number of Theta Coins held by an individual directly influences their voting power, giving more weight to those with larger stakes in the network. This ensures that decisions are made in a decentralized and democratic manner, with the interests of the community taken into account. The governance aspect of Theta Coin allows token holders to propose and vote on various matters, such as protocol upgrades, changes to network parameters, and the introduction of new features. Through this participatory process, the community can collectively determine the path the Theta network should take. This governance mechanism fosters transparency, inclusivity, and decentralization within the Theta ecosystem. It allows the community to actively contribute to the growth and development of the platform, ensuring that it remains aligned with the needs and preferences of its users. By giving Theta Coin holders the power to influence decisions, Theta Network establishes a cooperative and collaborative environment. This decentralized governance approach strengthens the community's trust and confidence in the platform, as they have a direct say in its evolution and can actively shape its future trajectory. Theta Coin holders have the opportunity to engage in the governance of the Theta network. This empowers the community, allowing them to participate in decision-making processes, propose changes, and vote on important matters. The governance aspect of Theta Coin ensures that the platform remains community-driven, transparent, and adaptable to the evolving needs of its users. Theta's use cases. One of the primary and most prominent use cases of Theta Network and Theta Coin is revolutionizing the landscape of video streaming. The Theta Network's peer-to-peer architecture and decentralized video delivery system provide several benefits to both users and content creators. For users, Theta Network offers high-quality, uninterrupted streaming experiences. By leveraging the collective bandwidth and computing resources of the network's participants, Theta ensures that video content is efficiently delivered, resulting in reduced buffering and improved overall streaming performance. Users can enjoy seamless playback of their favorite videos, whether it's live streams, on-demand content, or even virtual reality experiences. On the other hand, content creators stand to gain significant advantages from the Theta network. By utilizing Theta's infrastructure, content creators can reduce their streaming costs. Traditional video streaming platforms often involve substantial expenses related to content delivery networks, CDNs, and server infrastructure. Theta's decentralized approach eliminates the need for expensive centralized servers, resulting in cost savings for creators. Theta Network introduces tokenized rewards for content creators through the utilization of Theta Coin. Creators can earn Theta Coins based on the engagement and viewership of their content. This incentivizes creators to produce high-quality content and engage with their audience to maximize their earnings. With the transparent nature of blockchain technology, creators can be confident in the accuracy and fairness of their compensation. Theta Coin allows users to directly support their favorite content creators through tips and donations. Viewers can use Theta Coins to show appreciation for the content they enjoy, further enhancing the relationship between creators and their audience. By combining improved streaming experiences for users and increased earnings potential for content creators, Theta Network creates a win-win situation. Users can enjoy high-quality content, while content creators benefit from reduced costs and enhanced revenue opportunities. Theta Network's use case in video streaming provides a transformative solution that improves the streaming experience for users and empowers content creators with fair compensation and increased earnings. This use case represents the potential for Theta Network to disrupt the traditional video streaming industry and establish a more efficient, decentralized, and rewarding ecosystem for all stakeholders involved. Another significant use case of Theta Network is its decentralized content delivery network, CDN. Traditional CDNs play a vital role in delivering content to users by distributing it across multiple servers located in various geographical regions. However, these centralized CDNs often come with high costs and potential bottlenecks that can impact the quality and reliability of content delivery. Theta Network disrupts the traditional CDN model by leveraging its peer-to-peer architecture. Through the Theta Edge network, users can share their excess bandwidth and computing resources to contribute to the content delivery process. This decentralized approach allows for faster and more reliable content delivery by reducing the reliance on centralized servers. By utilizing the collective resources of the Theta network participants, content can be distributed more efficiently. When a user requests content, it can be delivered from nearby nodes within the network, reducing latency and ensuring a seamless streaming experience. This peer-to-peer content delivery system minimizes buffering and improves overall performance, even during periods of high demand. The decentralized CDN provided by Theta Network also eliminates the need for traditional CDNs and their associated costs. Content creators and distributors can significantly reduce their expenses by leveraging the decentralized infrastructure of Theta Network. The elimination of costly centralized servers and CDN services allows creators to allocate more resources towards content creation and provides a more cost-effective solution for delivering high-quality video streams. The Theta Network's use of blockchain technology ensures the integrity and transparency of content delivery. The decentralized nature of the network means that content is distributed among multiple nodes, reducing the risk of single points of failure or malicious attacks. Additionally, the immutability of the Theta blockchain ensures that the content delivery process is transparent and trustworthy. By providing a decentralized content delivery network, Theta Network offers a more efficient, cost-effective, and reliable solution compared to traditional CDNs. It empowers users to share their resources, improves content delivery speed, and reduces the expenses associated with centralized infrastructure. The decentralized CDN use case of Theta Network demonstrates its potential to transform the content delivery landscape and provide a superior streaming experience for users and content creators alike. Future potential and challenges. Looking ahead, Theta Network has immense potential for growth and widespread adoption. The convergence of several key factors positions Theta as a disruptive force in the streaming industry. The demand for high-quality streaming content continues to rise. With the proliferation of connected devices, the popularity of video-on-demand services, and the emergence of new content formats such as virtual reality and augmented reality, there is an ever-increasing need for efficient and reliable content delivery. Theta Network's decentralized architecture addresses these demands by leveraging the collective resources of its users, ensuring seamless streaming experiences and reducing buffering issues. The rise of decentralized technologies, including blockchain and peer-to-peer networks, has paved the way for innovative solutions like Theta Network. By harnessing the power of blockchain, Theta creates a transparent, secure, and efficient ecosystem for content creators, distributors, and viewers. The decentralized nature of Theta Network also eliminates the reliance on costly intermediaries, resulting in reduced costs and increased rewards for participants. Theta's expansion into NFTs and gaming opens up additional avenues for growth. The popularity of NFTs and the digital asset market is on the rise, and Theta's integration of NFTs within its ecosystem enables users to trade, collect, and interact with unique digital assets seamlessly. With the increasing interest in blockchain-based gaming and virtual economies, Theta's focus on the gaming sector positions it at the forefront of this emerging market. Theta Network's commitment to community participation and governance ensures that the platform evolves in line with the needs and preferences of its users. By allowing token holders to have a say in decision-making processes, Theta fosters a strong and engaged community, creating a sense of ownership and loyalty among its users. Theta Network is well positioned to disrupt the streaming industry and experience significant growth and adoption. Its decentralized architecture, focus on high-quality streaming, integration of NFTs in gaming, and commitment to community participation make it an attractive solution for content creators, distributors, and viewers. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more trading videos and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload new content.